Hey, Ms Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Before we begin, if you haven't done it yet, please hit subscribe and join us in this language journey. Thank you! Hi there! Today, we are going to practice building our vocabulary focusing on fruits. Not just 1 or 2 fruits, but 100 fruits. Sa totoo lang, I haven't eaten half of the fruits that we're going to study today. But it's always good to learn something new, right? Okay, so are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Apple. Very easy, right? Apple. Number 2. Apricot or apricot. Apricot or apricot. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado. Number 4. Banana. Banana. Number 5. Blackberry. Blackberry. Number 6. Blackcurrant. Blackcurrant. Number 7. Blueberry. Blueberry. Number 8. Breadfruit. Breadfruit. Number 9. Canistel. Canistel. Number 10. Crab apple. Crab apple. Number 11. Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Number 12. Cherry. Cherry. Number 13. Custard apple. Custard apple. 14. Chico fruit. Chico fruit. 15. Cloudberry. Cloudberry. Number 16. Coco de mer. Coco de mer. 17. Coconut. Coconut. Number 18. Cranberry. Cranberry. Number 19. Damson. Damson. Or you can also call it damson plum. Number 20. Date. Date. 21. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. 22. Durian. Durian. 23. Egg fruit. Egg fruit. And I just discovered that an egg fruit is the same as canistel. 24. Elderberry. Elderberry. Let's take a short break. Did you know that eating an apple can keep you more awake than drinking a cup of coffee? Interesting, eh? 25. Fig. Fig. 26. Goji Berry. Goji Berry. Number 27. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. Number 28. Grape. Grape. 29. Buddha's hand. Buddha's hand. Number 30. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. 31. Guava. Guava. 32. Honeyberry. Honeyberry. 33. Huckleberry. Huckleberry. Number 34. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Number 35. Japanese plum. Japanese plum. Number 36 is a bit tricky, and the dictionary says it's just berry. But then I watched, some other YouTubes that talk about this particular fruit. Some of them, they mentioned this term as Yostaberry for some reason, and another gardener said that it's Jostaberry. But take note that the dictionary says it's Jostaberry. Okay? Number 37, Jujube. Jujube. Number 38, Juniper berry. Juniper berry. Number 39, Noni. Noni. 40, Horned melon. Horned melon. Number 41, Kiwi. Kiwi. 42, Lemon. Lemon. 43, Lime. Lime. 44, Loganberry. Loganberry. Number 45, Loquat. Loquat. Number 46, Lungan. Lungan. Number 47 is pronounced as lychee if it's British and lychee if it's American. Again, lychee if it's British and lychee if it's American. Number 48, mango. Mango. Number 49, mangosteen. Mangosteen. Number 50, marionberry. Marionberry. Let's take another short break. Did you know that strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside? There are 200 seeds in an average strawberry. Wow! Okay, let's continue. Number 51, melon. Melon. Number 52, British cantaloupe. American cantaloupe. Okay, once again, British cantaloupe and American cantaloupe. Number 53, Gallia melon. Gallia melon. Number 54, honeydew. Honeydew. 55, mouse melon. Mouse melon. Number 56, watermelon. Watermelon. 57, miracle fruit. Miracle fruit. Number 58, cactus pear. Cactus pear. Number 59, mulberry. Mulberry. Number 60, nance. Nance. Number 61, nectarine. Nectarine. Number 62, orange. Orange. Number 63, blood orange. Blood orange. Number 64, clementine. Clementine. Number 65, mandarin. Mandarin. Number 66, tangerine. Tangerine. 67, papaya. Papaya. Number 68, passion fruit. Passion fruit. 69, peach. Peach. 70, pear. Pear. 71, persimmon. Persimmon. 72, plantain. Plantain. 73, plum. Plum. 74, feijoa. Feijoa. 75, pineapple. Pineapple. Let's take another short break. Did you know a kiwi has 2 times the vitamin C present in an orange? Yes, it does. All right, let's continue again. 76, pineberry. Pineberry. Number 77, pomegranate. Pomegranate. Number 78, pomelo. Pomelo. 79, cacao or cacao. Cacao or cacao. Number 80, quince. Quince. 81, raspberry. Raspberry. 82. Salmonberry, salmonberry. 83. Rambutan, rambutan. 84. Red currant, red currant. 85. Rose apple, rose apple. 86. Kumquats, kumquats. 87. Soursop, soursop. 88. Star apple, star apple. 89. Star fruit, star fruit. 90. Strawberry, strawberry. Number 91. Suriname cherry, suriname cherry. Number 92. Hawthorn berry, hawthorn berry. Number 93. Tamarillo, tamarillo. Number 94. Tamarind, tamarind. Number 95. Tangelo, tangelo. 96. Cashew apple, cashew apple. 97. Tomato, tomato. Number 98. Ugly fruit, ugly fruit. Number 99. White currant, white currant. And finally, number 100. Yuzu, yuzu. Yay! You finished 100 fruits. Congratulations. So, what's your favorite fruit? My favorite is guava. I don't know. I love guava, especially the big ones. I make sure to refrigerate the guavas first. And then hihiwain ko yun ng maliliit. Tapos sasawsaw ko sa suka or sa asin. Napakasarap kumain ng guava while watching Netflix. How about you? What's your favorite fruit? I'd love to hear from you. So please comment below and let me know what your favorite fruit is. Actually, marami akong paborito. Pero talagang pinaka-paborito ko is guava. Alright? Thank you so much for watching and see you again soon. Bye! That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.